I swear to y'all, since starting this YouTube channel, I've gained more knowledge than I've shared. But that's what we're here for, to share knowledge. Got a decent little video for y'all coming. This is gonna be episode 3 of the Chefman Air Fryer. Let's get started. Alright fam, on my last Chefman Air Fryer video, I made a comment in the video that I had almost mastered the Chefman Air Fryer, but there was one thing that I wasn't good at, and that was hamburgers. They came out a little bit dry. And as soon as I posted the video, my wife and a viewer by the name of, I think his last name was West, I'll put it right up here in the comments, or I'll put it in the video. They both said breadcrumbs. So what we've done, we've taken some panko breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. We put breadcrumbs in the hamburger. We put salt, pepper, a little bit of onions, a little bit of garlic. I didn't want to trouble y'all with all that. Y'all didn't need to see me put it in there. You just know that I put breadcrumbs in there. Thanks to my wife and Mr. West, I believe it is, for the comment, for the immediate response. So we're going to go ahead and throw these in the Chefman Air Fryer. Oh, and by the way, the wife told me to make a small one for Fitzgerald. So of course Fitzgerald's got to be involved in the video. So the small hamburger here is for him. We're going to put these toward the top, but not all the way to the top, because I think they'll burn if I go too high. So I'm going to drop them down to level number 2. And the ones beneath them are going to be on level number 3. So we're going to go ahead and close up the air fryer. We're going to hit start. We're going to do, we just hit anything, meat. But I think we want to go high temp on these burgers. So let's go ahead and go 400 degrees. And let's do, let's go 12 minutes. All right. And what we're going to do is, in the future, let's go ahead and hit start. And I can talk to y'all while they're cooking. All right, fam, as I was saying, the air fryer has made me go old school. Since there's not a lot of consistency with the cooking, because if you're cooking 4 chicken wings, 8 chicken wings, 12 chicken wings, you cooking bacon, the times and the temperature are different. So what I did was I went old school and I got index cards. And now what I'm doing is I'm writing my recipes down, and these are going to be my recipes on this side, whether it be the Chefman Air Fryer, whether it be the Big Easy, and that's going to help me keep up with my times and my weight. If I cook a 12-pound turkey, the waste of time is going to be different than a 15-pound turkey. So I'm going to keep my notes in this one, and this is going to be for my content. Whatever video I decide to shoot or whatever, I'll be writing down my ideas and doing my brainstorming will be in the pink top, and the blue top will be for my recipes, or for my temperatures and my settings. And while we're here, we might as well take a look at my little setup. This is where the magic happens. This is my workstation for my job that brings in the money to this and that. And this is my printer, my headphone setup, my little homemade bracketry for my headphone setup. This is my monitor. This is monitor number 1, which is actually a TV set. And this is for my editing, for my big boy computer. Right there, my desktop. And then this is another television monitor, and that's for computer number 2. And it's for my laptop that's hidden under here. And this is something I made out of my old fence post stuff. It's a riser, they call it, that I made out of my fence post material. And that's there. And this is the old school keyboard by Microsoft. I love it. You can hit certain keys up here and go straight to Amazon, straight to Facebook, whatever. It's one touch. I have 2 mouses, one mouse for my laptop, one mouse for my desktop. That's for my coffee. Like I said, my headphones. These are gaming headphones. I forgot who made them, but my daughter bought them for me. They're 110 bucks, I think. And those are my regular headphones, my Bluetooth headphones. I have my lights that I can change the color and the setting in my lights. And that's the other one right here. I have my bell I picked up. Me and my brother were golfing. I think I got that from Pennsylvania. My phone charger, my pencil sharpener, and my Superman logo. And now, here's the one thing that's most important to me. I ordered this on Amazon. It took me about a month to get it. When I saw it, I thought I had to have it. As y'all know, my wife is a nurse. Let me see, can I get that glare out of there? Anyway, my wife is a nurse. And when I saw this picture, and when I found this picture, I had just found out that I had cancer. I had prostate cancer. And this picture meant a lot to me. If you can see, you see all the heroes. I think they're the Marvel heroes, Superman, Batman, the Hulk, all the superheroes are bowing down to the medical staff. And that this poster is worth $1 million to me. I love it. And so this is my centerpiece. I do have another, Superman is my thing. I have a Superman tattoo. I love Superman. But this logo right here is near and dear to my heart. I'll never part with it. If my house ever catches on fire or something happens, I think this is one of the things I'll run outside with. All right, fam, with that being said, let's get back in here. Let's check these burgers and see if they're about ready, if the breadcrumb idea worked. I just wanted to share that with y'all, and that's near and dear to your boy's heart. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, I thought I had bumped that up to 400 degrees at about, I think, 12 minutes. But something happened while I was doing the rest of this video. So it was 375 degrees at about 20 minutes. And they've been in there about 8 minutes. And they are ready. So the breadcrumb idea worked. I think Fitzgerald might be a little overcooked. Your boy might be in trouble. Now these are the ones that were on the bottom. Check that out. That looks like perfection, family. Let's cut one open. See what we're working with. There it is, family. Look at that. Breadcrumb worked. Look at that juice. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. All right. Well, shout out to my wife. Shout out to Mr. West. Breadcrumb idea work, people. And I'm assuming that works in any environment, whether you're cooking them in the oven, whether you cook them on the stove, or whether you're cooking them in the air fryer. The chef, cut that off. In the chef and air fryer. That's one other thing too I learned. This thing runs for about 10 seconds after you cut it off. But I think it's just the fan that's cooling off the air fryer. But it actually works. So all right, fam. The burgers came out great. They're juicy. Fitzgerald's burger is a little overcooked. I had it at the top. But he's a dog. He loves it. He'll love it anyway. All right, fam. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give her a quick thumbs up. And if you didn't, give her a thumb down and a brief reason why in the comment section. If you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Y'all have a great day, a great week. Peace.